Yeah, afternoon is the fam. All right, I have my sole press set up, a little trusty compressor. I picked this up, man, it must have been over a year ago now from Jeremy Layson, so shout out to Jeremy. So I finished the bonding the uppers to the soles. What I'm just going to do now is place it inside the sole press and get this system all set up. Basically come back now, remove that Allen key, bring this section down, get everything set up nice and snug, give everything a double check and a tighten, sitting squarely, compressor is full. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply about 10 pounds of pressure for 30 seconds to create a nice bond between that sole, the upper, and of course the sidewalls and the upper as well. So here goes. So we're looking for about 10. I said at 10. Nice even seal all the way around the shoe on all sides. So we're gonna sit here for 30 seconds. So I guess I could tell a joke, but I'm just gonna let this run for 30 seconds. So I guess I could have put on the plates as well, but decided to leave them off so you could see the bladder in action on the inside. Pretty simple setup, really great setup that I was able to get from Jeremy. So thanks again, Jeremy. I appreciate the deal on these. So yeah, as you can see, nice, clean, even pull all the way, well, not pull, but even seal all the way around on these. So anyway, just want to kind of show this to you. We're going to go ahead now and let everything else out. Let all that pressure down, out the bladder. Everything is gone. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll come back and show you the finished product later. Thanks.